With millions of existing fluorescent Troffer fixtures currently being used in a variety of applications, there is unlimited market opportunity for the LSI TRK Series Troffer Retrofit Kit. The TRK series provides the look and feel of a complete fixture replacement while enabling higher performance and greater energy efficiency over traditional fluorescent lamps. These fixtures are an easy upgrade for most recessed fixtures mounted in T-grid ceilings. These retrofit kits are available in 3 sizes: 1x4, 2x2, and 2x4. The lumen packages range from 3200 to 4800. All 3 sizes and lumen packages are available in 3500 and 4000 Kelvin color temperatures. The full door assembly quickly attaches to the existing housing with all work conducted from below the ceiling, saving time and money on installation. The quick and easy installation makes relighting these spaces easier than ever before. The quick and easy install happens in just a few simple steps. Before starting, ensure all safety steps are followed. Step 1. Remove the existing door frame. Step 2. Remove the existing lamps, ballast, and lamp holder brackets. Now the housing will be empty. Step 3. Insert side brackets and secure each side with 2 screws for each bracket. Optional cosmetic brackets are also available for installation. Step 4. Insert the hinge pins on each side of the door assembly to the corresponding key slots on the side brackets. Step 5. Attach safety cables to the housing, making sure both are secure. Step 6. Connect the fixture wires to the supply wires. Step 7. Adhere new label identifying the luminaire has been modified from its original state. Step 8. Swing the assembly up until flush with the ceiling and close the 2 latches on each side. The installation is now complete and the fixture can now be properly powered. For more information about LSI Industries, please visit www.lsi-industries.com.